and welcome to automatic attendance system in our LMS. So first you have to go to your course. You have to on the editing. You have to add an activity, that is attendance. Add it. Give proper name to attendance. So I'll be putting my CO lab attendance. Okay, for division A. Okay, attendance will be active for 15 minutes. Okay, you can put this for students. Okay, grading should be none. We are not giving any grades. Okay, common models non needed. Students can manually mark activity as completed. Okay, save and return to the course. After this, go on the attendance, add sessions. So for when you have your uh, practicals, so go on that day. So I have on my Wednesdays, so next will be on 5th, so I'll go on 5th August 2020. Timing will be from 1:30, so that is 3:30, and I have said that it will be on for 15 minutes if you remember. Okay, so that is attendance will be active for 15 minutes. I have said here 15 minutes, but still like we have given 5 minutes grace to students to do that. Go on multiple sessions, repeat the same, that I'll be having the same practical on Wednesday, right, at the same timing. So one per weekly, up till how many days? So what is your session or the semester when it is going to get over, or the year for 11th 12th standard, you are calculating for the complete year. So put that end. Okay, how many sessions you want for your subjects, put it here. Okay, so I want up to 31st January, so I have kept it here. Automatically students should mark their attendance, so allow this. Okay, allow students to record their own attendance and just click on add. Okay, I'm sorry, this end time should be greater. Okay, fine. Yeah, so 14:50. Yeah, so add the session. Now I have added the session, but still I have to give a status to our system. If a student is present, he'll get 2 points. If he is late, he'll get 1 point. Excused is not needed. Either you can decide between late or excused. Okay, so some of you prefer excused because student might give some kind of reason that, sir, activity problem is there, my net is not working properly, so that kind of excuse, so you can put reason to it. Or late, so a student who's uh, giving his attendance max late will also get late point. Okay, so absent gets 0 points. So in my uh, practical, I don't want anybody to give excuses. Only present is there, late is there, and absent is there. Okay, so I'll be updating my system. So here the attendance session is created. Okay, after doing this, you can see all the sessions, like from 5th August, 12th August, all these multiple sessions are created. Okay, and once the student will go on the attendance, he'll be able to click on the attendance, and he's present or absent as it will be written over here. So I'll show you how it happens. Actually, I've done on my one subject, so I've shown you how to add a attendance topic. Okay, so here in this I have taken attendance of my students. So you can see this 30th July 12:30 to 1:30 students have given attendance. So you can see students, those who have given attendance comes in this way, that roll number 102 has self-recorded. Okay, so this now those who are in red color, so these students are absent. So you have to mark them absent because they have not came online, or they might have not reported also. Okay, so absent for those students. Okay, this is how you fill up your automatic attendance on LMS. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments of this videos, and if you have any requests for further videos, okay, uh, I'll make a lot of videos for you people also to understand. You can tell me the language also. I am very comfortable in three languages, that is Marathi, English and Hindi. So if you want, so you can see now this present and absent are recorded, and you can export this records whenever necessary. Okay, so here export is there. You can export the number of present, absent, whatever you want, from which date to what date. Okay, and just press OK. That file will be exported. Okay, thank you.